Assalamu alaikum student. Today we are going to study class 5 mathematics chapter numbers, and we are going to discuss its unit 8, which is number patterns. Let us start with the learning outcome of this unit. At the end of this lesson you will be able to identify missing patterns of the given number and solve the number patterns problems. What are number patterns? First of all, we are going to discuss the definition of number patterns. Number pattern is a pattern or sequence in a series of numbers. This pattern generally establishes a common relationship between all numbers. For example, here you can see few numbers in a sequence are written 1, 4, 7, 10, 13, 16. Which sequence between these numbers is followed here? Here this number starts at 1 and jumps every 3 times. Means you can say with 1 if you will add 3 it will become 4. If with 4 will add 3 it will become 7. Similarly you will add 3 with 7 it will become 10. You will add 3 with 10 it will become 13, and again you will add 3 with 13 it will become 16. Means here you are going to start at 1 and jumps 3 every time, or you can also say that here you are adding 3 with every digit present over there in order to get the next number. Another example, here the number 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32 are written. How we have gotten this number? Here simply we are going to double the number. First number was 2, then double of 2 was 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, and so on. Means here we are going to double the numbers given here in order to get the next number. Okay, here we are having the arithmetic sequence or the arithmetic number pattern. There are so many types of the number pattern or sequence, but right now we are going to study only few of them, and one of them is arithmetic sequence. An arithmetic sequence is made by adding the same value each time. In this sequence means we have to add the same value in each time. For example, here the number is given 1, 4, 7, 10, 13, 16, 19, 22 and 25. Can you guess which number is added again and again? Yes, you are right. If we add 3 with 1 it will become 4. If we add 3 with 4 it will become 7. 3 with 7 it will become 10. 3 with 10 it will become 13. So which number is adding again and again? With this example, plus 3. This sequence has a difference of 3 between each number. This pattern is continued by adding 3 to the last number each time. Like this, another pictorial example. You can see here 3 is added to the 1 and it will become 4. Then 3 is added to 4, it will become 7. 3 is added to 7, it will become 10, and so on. And this cycle will continue till our result required. Another type of sequence is geometric sequence. A geometric sequence is made by multiplying by the same value each time. Like here you can see in arithmetic sequence we were adding the same value, while in the geometric sequence we are going to multiply the same value each time. For example, 1, 3, 9, 27, 81, 243. Can you guess which number is multiplying here again and again? I hope so. Let's check. The pattern is continued by multiplying by 3 each time. Like this. If you multiply 1 with 3, it will become 3. If you multiply 3 with 3, it will become 9. And if you multiply 9 with 3, it will become 27. You can see here in the example. 1 3 is 3, 3 3s are 9 and 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81 and so on. So in geometric sequence we will multiply by the same value each time to get the next number. Now the next sequence is spatial sequence. There are so many types of the spatial sequences, but right now here we are going to discuss only one, which is triangular numbers. What are the triangular numbers? Let's see. Here is an example of the triangular numbers is given. How we have gotten this number? This triangular number sequence is generated from a pattern of dots that form a triangle. By adding another row of dots and counting all the dots, we can find the next number of the sequence. Here the example is given. First dot, then we are having the 3 dots, then we are having the 6 dots, then we are having the 10 dots, and then 15 dots. After joining these dots, we are getting the triangular number sequence. Can you find the pattern? Here is a very short test for you. First example is this one, second example, and third example. What you have to do is you have to find the missing numbers or missing pattern given in all the 3 parts, or you can see in all the 3 questions. Think about the number of patterns we have discussed in this unit and try to solve all these 3 problems. Thank you.